Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I'm a little embarrassed that we have not done this video yet. So alright, it's pretty cut and dry. Reversed the built-in function. So help reversed reverse sequence, reverse iterator over values and sequence. So okay, name dot Samuel, and then reverse equals reversed name. Boom, and this makes return a reverse iterator. So rev get an iterator, but we just learned a couple videos ago about a very cool splat. So boom, because I saw a post and somebody was saying and they were like, they were going through, they took their string, they put it into a list because they knew about reverse sort and go through and this and that, and I was like, oh wait a second, I don't think I actually did reversed. So built-in function reversed, there we go. Real quick video today, but as always guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for leaving all the awesome comments, questions, and the video requests. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.